Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into one of Nissan's most iconic SUVs, the Nissan Patrol. This legendary model has been a cornerstone of Nissan's lineup for decades, and exciting changes are on the horizon. Ready to find out more? Let's get started. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and share this video with your friends. Your support helps us bring you the latest updates from the automotive world. The Nissan Patrol is one of the oldest and most respected models in Nissan's lineup, with its first generation debuting way back in 1951. Fast forward to today, and we are witnessing the sixth generation of this iconic SUV, which has been a mainstay in the modern car market since its premiere in 2010. Over the years, the Patrol has seen several updates, with the most significant one occurring in the fall of 2019. This year, the Patrol celebrates its 14th anniversary, which is quite a milestone, equivalent to 2 production cycles for the average car. And now, the much-anticipated new generation is about to make its debut. The latest generation Patrol shares its closest ties with the Infiniti QX80 SUV. Interestingly, this time around, the luxury brand's version was unveiled first, just last week. While the Nissan Patrol will share a similar body architecture with the Infiniti QX80, almost all body panels, except for the roof, will be original. This includes the doors, with the Infiniti QX80 retaining its retractable handles, while the Patrol will sport traditional handles for a more natural grip. Nissan is also giving the Patrol a completely original front end, featuring large headlights and C-shaped angular running lights. The headlights will have a similar motif, nearly connected by an LED strip spanning the entire width of the trunk lid, likely with the company logo placed in the middle of this strip. Currently, the Nissan Patrol, known as the Armada in the North American market, boasts a robust 5.6-liter V8 petrol engine. However, the new generation will be aligning with modern automotive trends and will come equipped with a V6 engine of much smaller volume. It's highly probable that this engine will be borrowed from the new Infiniti QX80, which features a VR35 DDT V6 3.5 biturbo petrol engine delivering 456 horsepower and 698 Nm of torque. In comparison, the current V8 engine in both the Patrol and the previous generation QX80 produces 405 horsepower and 560 Nm. Additionally, the 7-speed automatic transmission will be replaced by a 9-speed automatic, as seen in the new Infiniti. The debut of this new generation Nissan Patrol is expected to take place within the year. In other news, the new generation Nissan Kicks crossover was also introduced last week, bringing more excitement to Nissan's lineup. That's all for today, folks. The Nissan Patrol's new generation promises to bring exciting changes and innovations. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.